How easy is that? 5-minute job, and she's as good as new. Hey guys, if you're here watching this video, no doubt you've broken the ears or the tabs off the coil on your metal detector. This is the 15-inch coil off my Minelab Equinox 800, and as you can see, I've snapped the tabs off this one, or the ears as they often call them, and I have tried, probably like you, to repair them. I've used Araldite, I've watched other videos on how to repair them and rebuild new tabs and things like that, and trust me, none of those videos work. But in this video, I'm going to show you a super simple and easy solution to this problem. All right, so here's the solution, guys. This comes from Gold Rat Prospecting. You'll find them on highbanker.com.au if you want to get yourself one. I'll leave a link in the description below. This is the little repair kit for the Equinox 800. It's super simple. I'll just give you a quick look at what it is. That is that little piece there, which is going to fix on top of there. I'm just going to have to cut that top of that broken tab down a little bit, and then we just zip tie it on. And that's it. It's simple as that. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's just shave this here off a little bit down. So that there should fit on there now. Not quite. I've got to get rid of a bit of that Araldite that I've put on there. Peel away a bit of that. Yeah, so you might have tried to do one of these repairs yourself, and yeah, they might last for a few sessions out there, but they don't really last that long. And most of the videos you see on YouTube are about people trying to repair it, and this solution is by far the best. Get rid of that bit. There you go. So as you can see, that's nice and clean there now. Got rid of all that old Araldite. This piece should just fit there nice and snug. Beautiful. That's what we want. Start to get these zip ties in place. Now I don't really want that that little tab on the bottom or underneath it, so I'll just keep that off to the side. Otherwise it might interfere with your swinging your detector around. Must have dropped one on the ground. There it is. Last one. Okay, just trim all those little tabs off. And there you have it. That's the repair job. Super solid. I'll just hook my detector up onto that. There you go. And as you can see by these tabs here, they're way bigger and thicker than the other ones, so you're not going to break these ones. There you go, guys, job done. How easy is that? 5-minute job, and she's as good as new, ready to go swinging. So like I said before, if you want to get yourself one of these, they're about 50 bucks from Gold Rat Prospecting. Find them on highbanker.com.au. I'll leave that link in the description below. Hope you like that video, guys, and it helps you out. I'll catch you next time. Cheers, bye.